friends. Let us know how to be ready for an interview. The word interview comes from inter and view. Inter means in between and view means to see. In fact, an interview is a process in which the employer gets an opportunity to see whether the candidate is suitable for the position vacant, and the candidate tries to prove that he or she possesses the desired skills and knowledge. The crux of the matter is that your prospective employer is interested in you only if you have the desired skills, qualification, and knowledge. Therefore, before you appear for an interview, you have to make sure that you possess these. Interview is a conversation between two or more people to hire a person. And it is a formal discussion between the job applicant and the potential employer. And so, it is at the time of interview that the job is often lost or won. And so, we have to prepare ourselves well to face an interview. Actually, when you go for shopping to the market, do you simply pay for the product without even looking at it? Of course, no. We try to check the quality of the product, price of the product, color of the product, and then only we select a particular product, right? In the same way, interviewer tries to check out your quality, your ability, your potential, and he will try to search a proper candidate for his company, right? So you have to prepare yourself well in order to face an interview. The purpose of an interview is to understand and evaluate each job application and select the best candidate for the desired job role. In this way, an interview is a screening process in which you are given an opportunity to learn more about the organization, while the organization also has the opportunity to evaluate you as a prospective employee. And so, to win the job role, you need interview skills. The resume can interest an employer, but the interview will make or break your chances of landing the job. And that's why we have to prepare well for an interview. So let us know what is the best way to prepare for an interview. The first thing, yes, you need to do research. While preparing for an interview, research about yourself and research about the employer. While researching about yourself, you need to know why do you want to do this job, what are your values and interests, and what are your strengths and weaknesses. While researching about the employer, you need to learn as much as possible about the employer, read about the employer, and know what your employer does. So collect the information of the employer. Okay. The next thing, that is how to prepare for the interview. Guys, the first preparation for the interview is being positive. Be positive, think positive, and even act positive. This positive attitude will help you to be confident. Okay? Even know about the job role. So, your information of that particular job profile may give you confidence. Tell yourself that you are the best person for this role. Okay? And in this way, create confidence in yourself. And the next thing is that know about yourself. Analyze your qualities, analyze your potential, analyze your skills, analyze your strengths and weaknesses, and try to know about yourself that may give you some layer of confidence to win the situation. Even take printout of your resume, okay, and ensure you have passport size photographs of yourself. Prepare your clothes for the interview in advance and do a mock interview with a friend. In this way, you may prepare yourself well to face an interview. Guys, to win the interview, you must have clarity of thought, presence of mind, balanced point of view, cool composure, logical thinking, maturity, sincerity, openness, capacity to conceptualize, and good understanding of fundamentals. Moreover, using effective nonverbal communication techniques is essential for you to get your dream job. It is believed that over 90% of the message you send during your job interview is through nonverbal cues. However, you need to effectively communicate your professionalism both verbally and non-verbally. So, before you leave for the interview, make sure you are dressed professionally, neatly groomed, and your shoes are well polished. When you are entering an interview room, it is always better to walk with your head up to show your confidence. When you enter the interview room, shake hands with your interviewers. Your handshake should be strong and firm. A weak, limp handshake signifies nervousness and lack of enthusiasm. Sit up straight with your hands relaxing completely and lean slightly forward in your chair to exhibit your confidence as well as interest. Don't sit on the edge of your chair, it shows that you are tense. Okay, maintain an eye contact with the interviewer or interviewers while answering questions, but don't stare at them constantly. It is also essential to have proper eye contact while your interviewer is speaking to you. It will ensure that you are listening to and understanding him or her. Friends, don't forget to smile occasionally since it will help you to show your enthusiasm and interest in the job. Don't even move your legs a lot. It is distracting and shows how uncomfortable you are. Okay, do not even rest one leg or ankle on top of your other knee. It makes you look too casual or even arrogant. Avoid speaking in a monotone. Express yourself all the time by bringing variation to your tone and pitch. Ensure that your voice does not sound apologetic or nervous. And at the end of an interview, stand up and shake hands while you thank the interviewer for the opportunity. Okay, here are some do's and don'ts of an interview. In do's, reach at least 15 to 20 minutes early. Greet interviewers enthusiastically and sit comfortably. Find out about the company. Have a smile on face. Be prepared to talk about yourself. Remain calm and confident. Dress professionally. Carry all your documents and thank the interviewer before leaving. In don'ts, don't look away from the interviewer. Don't fail to answer questions. Don't get nervous. Don't tell lies. Don't blame your circumstances. Don't reach late. Don't attend a phone call during the interview. And don't shake your head aimlessly. Friends, a job interview is considered one of the most useful tools for evaluating potential employees. It gives a chance to the potential employee and employer to learn more about each other. If you are interested in getting a good job, they are also looking forward to getting a suitable employee for their firm. Therefore, how you present yourself becomes very important. So, be well prepared and brush up your subject and general knowledge. Sending the right message during your job interview is extremely important for your success. Using effective non-verbal communication techniques is essential for you to get the desired job. You need to dress appropriately and limit your makeup. You should maintain eye contact as it is essential to use appropriate body language to establish a rapport with your interviewer. Moreover, speaking in a clear and controlled voice is necessary to convey confidence. And above all, practice your answers for frequently asked questions so that you face the interview with full confidence. Okay? Here are some frequently asked questions which you may prepare for yourself. The first question, that is, tell me something about yourself. While answering this question, you may start with a smile on your face and greet and then introduce yourself. While introducing, add little family details like who is in your family, tell about your educational details, about any project work or training taken, talk about your strengths, then about your interest or hobbies, and even talk about your skills, and then conclude by saying thanks to the interviewer. Okay, for example, you may say, good morning, my name is Aliya Sharma. I'm from Kolhapur and stay with my family. My family includes my parents and two elder sisters. My father is a government employee. I have studied till 12th standard. I have also undertaken a 2-month training in employable skills. My strengths are that I am very patient person. My interests are to read books and listen to music. Thank you. To answer the second question, why do you want to work? You may say, I want to work because I want to build a career for myself. I want to see myself successful in life, and also because I want to support my family financially. While asked about your strengths and weaknesses, you may answer that my strengths are that I am a team player and self-motivator, and my weaknesses are that my English communication is not very good. However, I am working on it by reading English books and newspapers. While answering the next question, who has inspired you in your life and why? You may say, my inspiration in my life is my mother and the mistakes I make in my life. My mother is extremely hardworking and dedicated. She works all the time for the happiness of the entire family. I learn every day from the mistakes I make. I note my mistakes down in a diary and promise myself not to repeat them. Mistakes always teach us to lead our lives in a better way. The next question might be, how well can you work in a team? You may answer, the meaning of team is together everyone achieves more, and since I want to be successful, it is important to work well in a team so that everyone improves, and as I mentioned that it is my biggest strength, I can work very well in a team. Okay, and the last question, that do you have any question for us? Okay, you may say, first of all, I would like to thank you for this wonderful opportunity. If I am selected for the role, how will my performance be measured? Okay, and you may ask any question that you wish to ask the employer. In this way, friends, you may prepare yourself for the interview. I wish you all the best and thank you for watching this. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.